Hi, friends. Remember last week I read you guys a story called It Looked Like Spilt Milk? Well, today we're going to be making our own spilt milk painting. Who's ready? This girl. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, all right? So, first you're going to get a piece of paper. I don't have white paint, so I'm going to use a different color paper. I'm going to use blue, so my paint will show up on it. So you're going to first fold your paper in half. You're going to take some paint. This is acrylic paint, so be very careful. But usually you can do just regular tempera paint is fine. And you're going to squeeze some onto your paper and put it. It doesn't have to be any kind of design. You can sprinkle it anywhere you want, you see? And now I'm going to smush the paint together. Smush, 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 rub, rub, rub. And are you ready to see the magic? I wonder what this painting is going to look like. Oh! You know what it reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of coral in the sea. Or it also reminds me of mittens or gloves. Do you see the thumb and then the rest of the mittens? Isn't that pretty cool? And then you can hang it up. And you can guess whatever your spilt milk painting is or your cloud painting. And I'm going to show you a few other ways to do it as well. So that's how you do it with paint. I'm going to show you now how to make one with using glitter, Teacher Crystal's favorite. So this time I'm going to use a pink paper. It's easier to use it with cardstock only because the paint gets kind of heavy. But if you don't have cardstock, regular paper is totally fine. So now you're going to get some glue. And you're going to move it all over again, just like you did with the paint. No kind of special design. And then you're going to close it. And you're going to rub it again. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Rub it really good. Mix in all the glue. And then, look! You can't really see anything because of the glue. So, now with the glue, you're going to add in Teacher Crystal's favorite, which is some glitter. And you're going to mix it around and let's see what the glitter makes. What do you think it's going to make with the glitter? I wonder what shape it's going to make. Or what design it's going to make. Ooh. What does that make you think of? Kind of makes me think of a pumpkin or a beach ball or what else could it be, you guys? Could be anything that you guys want it to be. There's that one. Should we do one more? I'll show you the last way to make it. And this one is a little tricky because it's going to take a little bit more time. But we're going to be at home for a while, so we have nothing but time, right? So you take a piece of paper, again, you fold it in half, and you add your glue. This time you're going to need to add a little bit more glue. So you can do it on one side, you can do it on both sides, and then you're going to close it again. And you're going to mix it up. Okay, and then you're going to take some salt. And you're going to put your salt on. Lots and lots and lots of salt. And when the salt is all on your paper, you're going to shake it off into the bowl. Make sure the salt is all over the glue. And then you can either let the salt dry, the glue dry with the salt, and you can wait and wait and wait until it dries. Or you can do it while the glue is still wet. So you can take some food coloring or any watercolor paint if you have watercolor paint, and you can add it to your painting. I did some green. Let's see. Add some blue. And the cool thing is it only stays where the salt and glue are, and it doesn't go outside, as long as you don't put it outside. Like I did just now. But you can add more and more, and if you want to dilute it, you can use a pipette and just add some water. So that way you're not using so much food coloring. But look at our super fun painting. You can do as much as you want and as little as you want, and if you see, the colors are expanding and it's getting bigger and going out. So those are some fun spilt milk paintings, and we would love to see what you guys come up with. So if you make a spilled milk painting, please send it to your beluga teacher so that way we can see what you made and tell us all about it. All right? See you guys soon. Bye, friends.